will you be able to pull it out pag tumutubo na siya?
There's the advanced level and the beginner-friendly level to answer that. So sa beginner side, if the company that you invested in is established, tulad ng mga Globe, SM, Ayala, those companies, maraming buyers, maraming sellers. The purpose of the stock brokerage account is to make it easy to connect between all these parties. So ang mangyari is that, hala, tumaas yung value. Tapos ikaw, nakapagbili ka na dati, yung mura pa siya. So you want to sell it na because you want to get the profit. So what you can do is just literally sell it kasi alam mo naman na maraming buyers sa market. But the advanced level kasi is, hindi rin siya all the time kasi meron ding mga ibang stocks na hindi masyado siya ganun kalaki yung volume. Ibig sabihin, wala masyadong buyers and sellers in that place. Kapag ikaw nakapag-invest ka dati, mura pa, ngayon tumaas yun, gusto mong ibenta, ang problem, walang bibili. So hindi siya literally automatic. It depends on the volume of buyers and sellers or transactions in that particular stock. So kaya nga, ang suggestion ka rin, kapag mag-invest tayo sa stock market, at least man lang choose companies, establish siya within the Philippines para if you want to liquidate it, you can get it.